someone to care. You don't have to worry, because we'll be there. Challenge what the future holds. Look at how your life unfolds. Every mile you cross will be worth your while. Even in the darkness, we'll be your guiding star and take you where you wanna go. Come with us to the life that you see. Come with us to where you are destined. Spread your wings and fly. We believe you can touch the sky. We will pick you up whenever you fall, get you back on your feet so you can stand tall. If you're ever lost and haven't found your way back home, we'll always be around. Even in the darkness, we'll be
ইয়াতে হল মানে রিল আছে আজিকালি রিল নাই রিল তোমারটা দেখে
come with us to the life that you see. Come with us to where you are destiny. Rise high, spread your wings and fly. We believe you can touch the sky.
সৰু সৰু এডিটিং ছফ্টৱেৰ থাকে, তোমালোকে জানাই চাগে, হয়নে? কি কি দুটা এটা ক'ব পাৰিবানে নাম? এডিটিং ছফ্টৱেৰ কাইনমাষ্টাৰ ইজ ভেৰি একদম কমন হয়, হয়নে? কাইনমাষ্টাৰ
স্কুলৰ পৰা আহিছোঁ। এতিয়া ইউটিউব চেনেলটো নহয়, আমাৰ স্কুলৰ পৰা এনেকুৱা এটা ইনিচিয়েটিভ লোৱা গৈছে। বহুত কেইজন এতিয়া মিডিয়া ক্লাবৰ পৰা আছোঁ। আমাৰ এটা এনেকুৱা ক্লাব আছে য'ত ছাৰে এভৰি উইকত আমি এটা টাস্ক লওঁ, য'ত বিভিন্ন টিম আছে, যেনেকৈ লেণ্ডস্কেপ চাওক, ষ্টিল লাইফ চাওক, যিয়ে নহওক, এনেকুৱা এটা টিম চিলেক্ট কৰি পেলাই বহুত কেইজন ষ্টুডেণ্টছে এইটোৰ ওপৰত ফটো প্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰে। চ' ছাৰে আমাক বহুত হেল্প কৰে আৰু ছাৰে কৈছেও যে যদি আমাৰ ফটোবিলাক ভাল হয় আৰু কৈছেও আৰু এনেকুৱা বহুতটা ফটোজ আমাৰ আছাম ট্ৰিবিউনতো পাব্লিছ হৈছে। চ' সেইটোৱে হ'ল
चाबी का ही इंतजार कर रही थी। हमें इस तरह से क्यों देख रही हो? तुम बोलती क्यों नहीं? तुम लोग कौन हो? हम बढ़िया हैं।
So it was really a nice experience for me. The movie was really nice. It was informative as well as it gave us moral values, and also we saw a lot of equipments, instruments which were not even in Bombay earlier, but it's in Assam. So it's really proud for us.
We also saw a lot of movies which I really liked, and thanks to director sir and the Media Literacy Club for giving us such opportunities to experience this. So we've come here today to the Jyoti Chitraban International Children's Film Fair Festival. And today, as we came here, we had lots of fun experiences coming here. We watched a lot really good movies and short films about the social interactions, and we learned a lot of things. and we also went to the museum or something that showcases how films were made, and it was really historical and it was really interesting. And after that, we also went to the place where they puppet shows, and it was really interesting, and yeah, it was really fun.
Today, we have came to the International Child Film Festival, which is held at Jyoti Chitraban, which is located at Kahilipara. Here, we have enjoyed a lot, and we roamed around the whole place, and then we saw many things. Firstly, we went to the museum, where we saw many antiques which were used by many renowned persons like Dr. Besborua, also Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Those antiques were used to shoot films and scenes at an early age. Now it has changed, but these antiques will be remembered forever in the Assamese culture.
After that, we went to some screening shows. In those shows, different types of films or movies or short films were telecasted or showed to us from all over the world. Even though these films were from different places, it wasn't a difficulty for us to understand them because the culture and the type was always the same. After that, we went to a puppet show where a different skilled person helps us to entertain us with the help of moving puppets.
Then we went to the magic show, where we saw the magicians doing some kind of magic. I didn't understand them, they used some tricks to do it, but I didn't understand them. But also it was very fun to watch
We
them.
are very grateful to be in the media club because this club does not only helps us in the inside but also in the outside. It gives us an opportunity to come and explore things just like this.
At the end of the day, I would like to thank Director Sir and also Arjun Sir for this wholesome moment of our life. We will never forget this moment as we enjoyed so much in this trip. Thank you.